Welcome to Chris Cook for You Too. Have I got a treat for you today? I'm going to be making up your holiday Thanksgiving punch. So let's get started with the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need ginger ale and you're going to need ginger beer. Now, this is not actually beer. This is like ginger soda, but it's real good if you're gonna just, just a little sidebar. If you're going to use it, like if you have cramps, you have a stomach ache, you have inflammation, this is really, really good, and I use it all the time. So if you don't have this, don't worry about it. You can just go ahead and use your ginger ale. But if you put in the ginger beer, you get the taste of ginger. And that's what I'm just trying to get, is the taste of ginger. You're going to need apple cider. Apple cider is really, really good by itself, but it's equally as good when you're serving it in a punch. To garnish, you're going to need orange, red apple, and a green apple. You're going to need some cranberries, some fresh cranberries, some pumpkin spice, and you're going to need some cinnamon sticks. And these are just cinnamon sticks. You can get them at Walmart or your local grocery store. And you're going to need a pitcher. Now, I'm not going to be making a lot. I'm just going to be making enough so that I can show you how this goes, so you can have it for your Thanksgiving Day table, because it's going to be a very, very good punch to go with Thanksgiving Day dinner. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything sliced up. I'll be right back. It'll take us about 5 minutes to put this together, but this is one that you will not regret. You will really love it, and you will be doing it time and time again. Be right back. Okay, now I'm back, and I'm ready to put together this punch. It's real, real easy, real simple. So first I'm going to put in some pumpkin spice. And I'm using a 1/4 of pumpkin spice. Now, your ingredients are going to be listed at the bottom of the tutorial, and yours is going to be listed for, like, if you're making the punch for, say, 20 people, because you need to use this whole jar of apple cider. But if you're not, then you have to measure out your measurements just a little bit different. So there I put in 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Now what you want to do is you want to mix up your pumpkin spice real good. You want to make sure that that's mixed. Now there, mixed it up kind of well. And like I said, I'm only making a small amount, and I'm going to drink this with my family today. But I just want to show you how to do it, and then when you get ready to do it for Thanksgiving, it'll be a whole lot easier. And I'm telling you, this is very, very good. Next, I'm going to put in some ginger beer. Now, like I said, this is not beer. This is a non-alcoholic beverage, but it has boatloads of ginger in it, and it's real, real good. Like I say, if you have inflammation, if you have cramps, anything like that, it's real, real good. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some more of the apple cider, and I just put in enough where I could mix the spice up first. And now I'm going to add some ginger ale. Now, if you just have ginger, you don't have to use the ginger beer. You can just use just a little bit of ginger, and then you can use just your ginger ale. But it tastes really good when you use it with the ginger beer. Alrighty. Now, I'm going to stir this. Just a little bit more of a stir. And now I'm going to garnish it up. I'm going to add some apples, green apples, some red apples, some oranges, and some cranberries. Okay. Now I'm going to pour just a little bit in my glass. I have a frosted glass sitting back here. And down goes my cinnamon sticks. Okay? I'm going to stir this just a little bit more. Now look how festive that looks. That actually looks like something you would serve on your Thanksgiving holiday. So we're going to move this out of the way. I got a little bit more ginger beer in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour it up. Alrighty. Put the rest of my little sliced fruit in. You see, I did not slice that real big. Drop that down over in there. That looks real fruity. Go ahead and drop the rest of these in because I did put some in my glass. And now I'm going to pour up some of this delicious beverage. Now, there is your, let me see if I can get up. Yep, I can. There you go. There is your holiday Thanksgiving punch. I think that if you try this, you are truly going to enjoy it. This is a very good punch. I do not lead you astray. And I'm telling you, normally when I sit down, I can drink this whole jar. That's how good it is. It's great to have on your Thanksgiving table because it looks so festive. It's nice for your guests, and it is kid friendly. Now, of course, if you want to make this an adult punch, you know what to do. But I'm offering it as a Thanksgiving Day punch that I think you're truly going to enjoy. Try it. You got enough time to get all the ingredients and have it on your Thanksgiving Day table. And as always, thank you for watching. Chris Cook for you too. Bye.